Hello, good evening. Welcome po sa ating channel. Today, ang gagawin po natin is mag-check po ng isang forex broker. The name of the broker po is CPT Markets. This was introduced by my friend. And gagawin natin ngayon is mag-create ng account. Tingnan natin kung gaano kabilis. And at the same time, let's try to deposit funds. And tingnan natin if the mode of deposit is available ba for local banks. Okay, so upon typing the name of the company, ito po yung on the internet, no? Ito po yung landing page nila. So maganda, simple lang but nakaka-entice siya, no, sa mga clients. So okay, so open an account in less than 2 minutes. Okay, so I already created an account, but for the sake of this video, let's try opening a sample account, right, for you to see the process. Okay, so lagay natin random name, sample, same ba? Okay, same. Number, try natin, random. So, name lang, email, number, tsaka password yung hinihingi nila. And agree to the consent of data being used in accordance with the privacy policy terms and conditions. Next natin. So, hingi agad siya ng verification sa email natin. Tingnan natin. Okay, may code na hinihingi, 321748. Okay, click verify. Okay, so gano'n kabilis, no? Hindi mo na siya nanghingi ng maraming information, just your name, mail, and number. So after that, your account was already created after verifying your email account. So dito, nihingi siya ng proof of ID. So, then yung passport, driver's license, national ID, voter's ID. So, lagay lang natin dito yung front page at back page. And next, okay. Okay, try natin ng okay, passport. Isa sample lang. After that, hihingi siya ng verification. The title, the name, middle name, last name, date of birth, middle name, number, no, okay, type your address. Okay, Philippines. Okay, after that, hingi sila ng questions. Sagot sa questions like, magkano yung income? Give a random answer, like, so, sagot yan nandito kung ano yung appropriate answer. Then, may agreement na kailangan. So, di ko na ano to kasi yung sa sample, no? So, after that, you click submit. Yeah, so after this, just wait lang, no? Within the day, yan yung account natin. Okay, ito yung account natin. Okay. Ito yung dashboard nila. Okay, simple lang. Accounts, andyan. If you want to open a new trading account, type nyo lang dito, create account. Okay, meron din sila margin trade calculator. Okay, so, yeah, it is plus factor siya kasi nakakatulong to especially sa mga trader. Margin calculator and trade calculator. Okay, maybe late, sa mga susunod na video, discuss natin paano gamitin yan. Account funds, deposit, withdraw, transfer. Okay, let's try to deposit. Yung mode of deposit nila is meron Dragon Pay, Help to Pay, Wallet, which is na teller and Skrill, Crypto, and alternative we have Visa, MasterCard. Yeah. But for in Philippines, no, we prefer to use Dragon Pay because Dragon Pay has a lot of options. Okay, ito yung MT4 natin. Check lang natin. 6485647. Deposit natin. Okay, amount is in peso. Okay, 20. Yung should be 20 USD. Magkano? Maybe let's try 50,000. So, okay. Okay, CPT Markets Limited, 50,000. Pay now. Source. So, sa Dragon Pay, maraming option, no? Marami silang option dito. For online banking, over-the-counter others. So, ano yung convenient na tingin nyo? You can choose various mode of deposit, no? Ito lang talaga. So, instruction via email. Okay. So, open our email. Okay, may email. Okay. So, may instruction naman. So, ito yung gagamitin natin. So, yung reference number, yung amount. So, may step naman, no? Open your GCash. So, open ko muna yung GCash. So, punta kayo ng GPay bills. Search biller, DragonPay. Okay, then indicate your reference number. Reference number natin is BAMKGU6AF8. BAMKGU6AF. Input ako sa Gcash, no? Hindi siya ng number. Tsaka email. Yung amount is 50,000. Uli, check natin, no? BAMKGU6AF8. When naman dito, we will send a confirmation email to you once process. Okay, sige. Bayad tayo. So, nag-send na ako ng confirmation. Okay. Email din tayo na-receive, no? Deposit confirmation from CPT. So, which is good to confirm, no, na meron tayong na-deposit. So, deposit amount USD $861. Yan, meron tayong transaction ID. So, let's check on our account. Okay, if pumasok siya. So, total balance, pumasok siya, guys, no? So, real time. Pasok agad yung deposit. Okay, so sa susunod na mga video, maybe let's try to check so I think yun lang naman, no? So I will just share to you sa mga susunod na video progress ng account nito, and let's see if how was their service, no? And hope I can share to you my journey to you with CPT markets. So thank you for watching this video, and ingat po kayo. God bless always. Bye bye.